I have two schools of thought, and I need you as a professional to tell me where I'm right or wrong. It's awfully soon, right? I don't think they can get through all the terabytes of data on all those electronic devices and all the tapes we hear they have and all the emails and all the witnesses, et cetera. But sometimes that inures well for the defense. Do you think it's possible Diddy might look at the government and say, the state, actually this is DOJ in this matter, show your hand, try me, right to a speedy trial, bring it and let's see what you got, and go with that May 5th.
That's the strategy in invoking speedy. That's why defendants want to put the government to the task. There's all these terabytes, and they just think they can catch the government off guard where they're not ready yet. But I think what's going to happen is the government's going to issue a superseding indictment, meaning an amended indictment with more charges, more victims, and perhaps more celebrity defendants. So I think May 5th is a pipe dream. I don't think it's really going to happen. I think it will probably be postponed. And May 5th, not just the Met Gala day, it's also Cinco de Mayo. You don't want to mess around with those parties. And just personally, it's the day after my birthday. May the 4th be with you, Star Wars Day. So it's going to get moved.
And I need at least 24 hours to get over May the 4th. And I totally forgot. You're right. Cinco de Mayo. You're right. So yeah, I keep thinking that Diddy with this star dream team, and think about it, Alexandra. I mean, here you are with Garagos and Garagos, a bunch of star lawyers you are. He's got a dream team he's assembling. He's going to spend a lot of money on them. And I would imagine, you tell me, I would imagine he wants to go over every comma in that discovery. And that's going to take years.
Well, I don't think it necessarily will take years. I mean, it could if you really take your time to go through it, but experienced lawyers know what to look for. They know how to get through what actually matters. There's 3 charges here, and so not every single thing in that discovery is going to be relevant to his defense. So I don't think it's going to take years, especially with the manpower that they have. And I am partial to his team because Mark Garagos' daughter is sitting right there next to him in court. She's a good friend of mine. She's a great attorney. She's worked on some really, really serious cases in that New York courthouse. So she knows how to get through that discovery without spending excessive time on it. So
do you know what, though? I have to listen. I hear you. And in olden days, I would have agreed with you, Alexandra. But honest to God, when we're talking about copious amounts of video and you can't scan it, like you can't go fast forward, you have to watch it all in real time. Ooh, I mean, as hideous as that is. But Dave, jump in with me here and tell me how you do that. Do you just fan it out to dozens of underlings in the prosecutor's office to say, everybody take 4 hours each and let's watch every, shred, every frame of these videos for every single crime we can? Because that means the defense has to do it too.
Yes, most of the stuff, though, is not relevant evidence. A lot of it is just fluff. And so you can get through it a little faster than you would think. It. Yeah, someone has to watch it, but someone has to. It doesn't have to be the main prosecutors or defense lawyers on the case, but someone has to watch it. But I do think that gives the defense an excuse to postpone it at some point. The prosecution will have to defer to the defense. See, the judge will give the defense the ability to really help pick the trial date because of the defense requests speedy. Remember, it's a defense who has the right to a fair trial, and so they will defer to the defense. But once there's a superseding indictment, I think then even the defense will say, we need more time. There's all these new players now, new counts, new victims. So I think right now, May 5th, but that's just a placeholder.
Well, and by now the government
yeah, go ahead real quick.
By now, the government should have gone through all the evidence. If they're handing over evidence that they haven't looked at already, then they're not doing their job. So they've already looked at it. It's up to the
can't imagine. I can't imagine with the amount of video they said they seized, or at least the talk is that they seized. I mean, it's just hours and hours of watching, like dozens and yuck. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.